Hi, my name is Daisy Nibar. I am a current senior, and when I joined Girls Who Code, it was such an incredibly empowering experience to be surrounded by an amazing, strong group of women who care deeply about the same issues that I do. And it was also amazing to see the change that I could make using technology and how using technology applies to social justice and activism and issues that you care about. You can make so much change through our yearly projects. And it was also just an incredibly learning experience for me on how to communicate with people, how to organize a project, how to connect my passions to technology. And it's also amazing to know that I'm going to be adding to the quotas of women in STEM, which is incredibly important in this age. And I think it's just an amazing club, and you should join.
Hi, I'm Julia Schnipper, and I'm a senior. And I started computer science just because I thought it'd be really cool to take a coding class. So I signed up for Intro to Computer Science, and I ended up loving the teacher, and I kind of just decided to keep going with it. So the following year, I took AP Computer Science Principles, Intro to Programming, and Game Design. And I joined Girls Who Code because a friend sort of just told me to go one day, and I was like, yeah, sure, whatever. And I ended up really loving being a part of a female community in a career path that's mainly dominated by men. And it was just so exciting to have this community of like-minded women who all just wanted to work together towards a goal and further our own mind and education, really, in computer science. And I'm really happy I did it. So, yeah.
Hi, my name is Kayla Thompson, and I'm a senior this year, and I'm also a girl who codes. I can trace back my experience with computers to elementary school when my best friend and I at the time made a website only because we both wanted to be doctors. And that just proves how amazing technology is, that it does not have to be restricted to one goal, to one interest, to one passion, because you can want to do anything and find a way to incorporate technology into that. And especially in this day, we're seeing that for real. So I encourage you to join us and become a girl that codes as well, because you can make new connections, learn, and we can just empower one another, because at the end of the day, we need these networks to grow. So I invite you to join us. Hope to see you. Bye.
Hi, my name is Leah. I'm a senior, and I got into computer science because I've always liked building Legos. And so when my middle school had a robotics club, I joined and got the opportunity to build and code my own little robot. So then I just sort of continued down that path within college.
Hi, I'm Ella Barnett. I'm a senior and a member of the Girls Who Code Club here at Poly. Ever since around middle school, when we started taking really introductory level courses to computer science using like Scratch, I learned that it was something I really wanted to do, and I've continued to pursue it. But obviously, not knowing basically any other young girls who were interested in computer science, I felt really discouraged. But finding out about this club and joining, I was immediately met with this overwhelming sense of confidence and self-assurance and empowerment that really all of our members exude. As a club, we work yearly to create a project or an idea for a project that focuses on an environmental, social, or political issue, which really highlights the way that computer science is in all of our lives in so many different ways. And I really hope you join this club. There's so many opportunities, and you'll meet so many great young women who really love computer science.